Welcome to Eats and Travels. Here's our favorite desserts.
What's going on, folks?
Comment
Sullivan
below,
Man
what is
here,
your
504.
favorite
So
place to get desserts?
I am at Chili's with Miss TJ and Spice, and this is the hot molten lava cake from Chili's. Yeah, that's how it looks in real time. It looks really good. So I'm gonna let you know how it is, and I'll check back with y'all in a few.
Here is my other desserts. Nothing but bun cakes. Do you like nothing but bun cakes? Again, comment below. We're showcasing some of our favorite desserts. Again, mine's are the Oreo, the chili molten cake, and nothing but bun cakes. Enjoy.
All right, what's going on, folks? Sullivan Man. We are trying nothing but bun cakes, and this is the carrot cake. No, sorry, this is the confetti. Uh, Nothing but bun cakes. So, I like it. The icing is really sweet. It's like really squishy. It's like a sponge. When you touch it, it's really like a sponge in your hand. And they're really, 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 they're. I think they're big enough to where it leaves you filled and fulfilled, so to speak. So, but yeah, definitely give this a try.
And this is my review of the carrot nothing but bun cakes. I love them. It could be a lot for 2 people. You get 12 of these. This one is the carrot nothing bun cakes, the mini ones. So let's see. It's soft. It's spicy. I really like the icing on it. I would highly recommend. Very worth it. So I like my banana pudding with cookies, and I like that cookie crunch. And so these are vanilla Oreos, so I layer it at the bottom. There is my cream. So yeah, finished product coming soon. All right, it's me, Tristan, and I have the boudin kolache from Buc-ee's. If you can already see, like the inside, it is so delicious. This is the boudin kolache from Buc-ee's. And make sure you get some salsa. It's so good. All right, good people. So this is the whoopie pie. I think it's a new dessert at Buc-ee's. It's the birthday whoopie pie. Let's get into it. It's soft. Definitely. I like it. Soft. You taste the cream. It's fresh. Take another bite. Buc-ee's whoopie pie.